New review questions the real-world impact of Alzheimer's drugs. A comprehensive new review has cast doubt on the effectiveness of a new class of Alzheimer's treatments, labeling their clinical impact as trivial. Despite being marketed as a breakthrough in dementia care, the analysis suggests that these drugs may offer little noticeable benefit to patients in their daily lives. The core findings: small gains versus high burdens. The study, conducted by the Cochrane Review Team, analyzed data from 17 clinical trials involving over 20,000 participants. The research focused on people with mild cognitive impairment or mild dementia who were treated with anti-amyloid drugs medications designed to clear amyloid protein clumps from the brain. The review's conclusions are sobering. Minimal cognitive benefit. Over an 18-month period, the drugs showed no clinically meaningful effect on cognitive decline or the severity of dementia. Functional limitations. Any improvements in a patient's ability to perform daily tasks were described as small at best. Safety concerns. The drugs were associated with an increased risk of brain swelling and bleeding compared to placebos. High patient burden. Treatment requires intravenous infusions every 2 to 4 weeks, accompanied by frequent MRI scans to monitor for brain complications. The debate: methodological flaws or harsh reality. The review has ignited a sharp debate within the medical community regarding how these drugs should be evaluated. The critics' view: painting with a broad brush, many researchers and advocacy groups, including Alzheimer's Research UK, argue that the review's methodology is flawed. They point out that the analysis pooled results from newer, approved drugs, such as lecanemab and donanemab, that have shown statistically significant results. Older, failed drugs that were abandoned because they were ineffective. By combining these two groups, critics argue the review creates a misleading average that masks the potential benefits of the most recent medicines. Dr. Susan Kohlhaas of Alzheimer's Research UK noted that only 2 of the 17 studies focused on the medicines currently approved in the UK, suggesting the review may unfairly dismiss an entire class of treatment. The proponents' view: a reality check. On the other hand, some experts believe the review highlights a fundamental truth. Even the successful drugs may not be doing enough to change a patient's life. The sad truth is that even the best-performing drugs don't do anything that's clinically meaningful, said Robert Howard, professor of old age psychiatry at UCL. This perspective raises a critical question for healthcare systems. Is it worth the massive cost and patient effort if the delay in disease progression is only a few months? This is precisely why the UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, NICE, has been hesitant to fund these treatments through the NHS, citing a lack of cost-justified benefit. Why this matters: the controversy highlights a turning point in Alzheimer's research. For years, the amyloid hypothesis, the idea that clearing these proteins is the key to a cure, has driven much of the industry's investment. If these drugs are indeed only providing marginal benefits, the medical community may need to shift its focus. While anti-amyloid treatments are a significant step, they are increasingly viewed not as a silver bullet, but as one piece of a much larger puzzle that likely includes targeting other proteins such as tau to truly alter the course of the disease. Conclusion: while the Cochrane Review suggests that current anti-amyloid drugs offer negligible benefits to patients, the scientific community remains divided on whether this is a definitive failure or a result of flawed data aggregation. Regardless of the outcome, the findings underscore the urgent need for more diverse and effective therapeutic targets in the fight against Alzheimer's.